Hi everyone, Shirley Campbell here. I'm excited to tell you that, look around, I'm on the hunt for another renovation property. As you know, I'm passionate about this, and I've come to a seaside village this time doing my numbers. This is an area that is doing very well over the long term and the short term. Capital growth has been fantastic here, which is what's attracted to me to it. When looking at a renovation property, the most important thing is you always start with your money. I've said this many, many times. And then secondly, looking at your numbers. So this is my first visit to this property and I'm really excited. This place has got so much potential. Trying to find as much as I can from the agent, because obviously they're dealing with the seller and they're representing them, but you have to get really good at questions. And also something of interest, I got to the property really early. This is a tip. Get to the place really early and just sort of like hang around the front. And eventually one of the neighbours usually come out to see what's going on because this is vacant, this particular property. Have a chat with the neighbours, even in this time of social distancing. Have a chat, and then the next minute the next person comes out, and then all of a sudden you've got the couple and you find out a lot more information than you can get from the agent, and then you file all that because that actually is going to help in your negotiation skills. So I have a lot of information about this that I plan on using when I put in my offer. So I just took my camera from the minute I arrived at the property and I've walked all the way around, inside and outside, videoing, focusing in on things like PowerPoints, where the boiler is, anything else, window frames, anything that looks like it's going to cost money, extra money that I may not remember. Because on your first visit, you're just taking it all in. You know, you're excited that you've actually found one of these properties that might actually be really, really good. Both I am looking for passive income. So I'm looking the minute I actually have finished the renovation and it's rented, I'm actually getting money from that straight away. But I'm also always looking for capital growth by hanging on to the property. And at the moment, it's early days. I need to do some more figures now that I've seen the property. It's stacking up on both counts, which is very, very exciting. So I just wanted to get on and share this with you. Stay tuned. All right, bye.